Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get or install Google Play Store on FireKids tablet. So it's very possible to install Play Store on your FireKids tablet, Amazon FireKid. So here, Amazon Fire tablets restrict you to Amazon App Store, but they run Fire operating system, a custom version of Android. That means you can install Google Play Store to gain access to millions of Android application and games. So based on howtogeek.com, thanks to this website, you can open settings app from the home tab on the home screen. You can go to the security and privacy and select apps from unknown source. So it will enable you install the application from other sources, for example from your browser, and also find Silk browser and then toggle on allow from the source. This is what will allow you to install an app from outside the Amazon App Store. Then after that, you can try to search the application on your browser. You can try to search Play Store APK. This one, for example, download APK. After you download from the mirror, you can try to install the Play Store itself. Warning: application mirror is trusted source for downloading APK files. However, some of the ads on APK mirror are deceptive, so please be careful. You can verify safe to install and do with your own risk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the button below. See you in the next video.